So I have been fixing a lot of broken pieces lately, and I figure I should buy one of this open bench to test things out before I consider a PC part as broken. Of course, I'm always on the look for a budget but quality solution, so I saw this on Amazon. I thought I should get one of these. And in this video, I'll show you the modular parts of this open bench, assembly process, and we'll build something in it as well. And of course, we'll also give you my thoughts about it, everything you need to know, coming up. Yo, what's up guys, it's Mac here, and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the package? 2 of this painted aluminum frame, 3 smaller version of the frame painted in black, 4 plastic covers for the frame since the edges of this is really sharp. This is to cover up the 4 sides of it. We also have 4 plastic stands, 1 acrylic frame for the power supply, 1 acrylic stand for the GPU mounting, 2 metal GPU holder, 1 acrylic thingy for standoffs, I think, 2 acrylic frame holder, and several screws, standoffs, and modular parts that are too many to mention. We also have the 7 L-shaped frame holder, anti-static globes, I/O switches, and the manual. Now that's a lot of modular parts. Now let's take a look at the build. So first of all, I really like the aluminum frames because it feels premium. Though the edges are really sharp, so you better be careful while assembling it. I don't really like the acrylic parts of this bench because it can easily break. Like this GPU mount holder, it was broken during the shipping process. For this reason, I might build this differently. The 4 modular stand for this open bench look and feels like cheap plastic that can break easily, but I hope not. The rest are metal parts, so I hope this will last long. Enough with the physical overview, let's just put them together. Let's go. So this is how it looks like when assembled. Like I said, I built it differently and didn't follow the manual completely. I'm not going to trust this broken part to hold any of the GPU I am testing, so I use this instead, which this one are supposed to hold the hard drive or the SSD. There are more spare parts like this, so I use this instead to hold an SSD or hard drive. Anyway, let's put an itx build here so we could have an idea how will it look like. So this is how it looks like with the mini-itx build. So what do you think, guys? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For me, I think it's nice, and for its price, it's a good deal. If it wasn't for the broken acrylic part, this could have been awesome. I wish they could have made the acrylic part as metal instead, but I guess that's asking too much. If you want one of this modular mini-itx open bench case, just check out the links in the description below. By the way, they also sell ATX and MATX version of this, so you might want to check those out as well. Again, links in the description below. So that's it guys. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.